My name is going to be Lola, and I'm a new Wirecast content creator. Here's my morph. He's my very good boy. He's the best. And I'm going to post Wirecast NPCs. Yeah. And also I'm going to be a Wirecast content creator. And I am new to this community, so please show your support. Follow me and leave a like and subscribe for more content. And since I am new, I kind of am new to this game. So if you are a Wirecast content creator or no one, please tell me so I can figure this out, I guess. Since I'm new, I don't understand very much yet. And hope you guys enjoy my video. Since I'm new here, I'm going to be doing I'm going to be doing Wirecast videos. So if you like, you can subscribe and support me through my journey of being a Wirecast content creator. And I fell. Hold on, let me just try to get out over here. Right, so I have to jump out. Am I stuck? I get myself stuck. Oh, okay. Anyway, since I'm a new Wirecast content creator, don't mind my dog if you hear her barking in the background. She's a little yapper. When I mean yapper, she talks to our neighbor's dog. Anyway, what I found. Anyways, thank you for dropping by. Hopefully we could be friends. And yeah, if you want, you can click that subscribe button, the red subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Bye.